My name is Dave Hawkins, and this is Decision Chalk Talk. There are three must-have elements in any decision support process or tool. If any of these are missing, participants will either find a way to add them or they'll abandon the tool. To illustrate how these three elements interact, I'm going to use a simple example, something that's very common in business: the need to move offices. An announcement like this triggers a bunch of parallel processes in all the participants and stakeholders. Each participant often identifies preferred choices early in the process. So this is element number one, a list of choices. You need to be able to understand them, characterize them, and manipulate them, move them around in priority easily. The second element in decision making is a list of factors. Many of these are numerical. They're represented as numbers, and they're often called key performance indicators or KPIs. Many important factors are qualitative and can't be represented as numbers. These factors will often determine the final outcome of the decision. Just like with choices, it's important to be able to rebalance the importance of different factors. Importance will shift throughout the decision-making process. This brings us to the third element of decision-making: viewpoints. A viewpoint is a collection of factors that gives us a coherent understanding of one aspect of the decision. In this case, viewpoints are being used to represent three different stakeholders in the decision process: finance, marketing, and human resources. The importance of different viewpoints will shift as the decision-making happens. It's typical that finance becomes a gatekeeper, applying constraints that will be used to reduce the initial list of choices. Once constraints are applied, other factors come into play and are used to make the final selection. The interplay between choices, factors, and viewpoints is how decisions are actually made. If one of these elements is missing from the underlying tools, participants will add it somehow. So there are three must-have elements in any decision support process or tool. Choices, factors, and multiple viewpoints are fundamental elements in all human decisions. A tool without all three elements doesn't meet basic decision support requirements and will either fail or be abandoned partway through the decision as participants realize that they're missing something. Enhance I allows easy manipulation of all three elements: choices, factors, and viewpoints. As these elements are applied to its decision making, an AI derives insights, an understanding of what's important, how, and why. Insights accelerate and improve decision making and are stored in insight memory to become a starting point for future decisions. Find out how. Contact us at enhancei.com. Thank you.